I think he's comfortable with his principles and with his intellectual approach to the law. And it's not one that I agree with in all instances, but it's not one that is out of the mainstream, I don't think, and is not one that is unprincipled or thoughtless or careless with people's lives. I think he reflects on the consequences of his decisions, which is what we want in a judge.
The judge is so intelligent and was able to articulate both sides of every issue that we talked about in class.
There's a lot of desire to fight his nomination because of the Republicans' inappropriate blocking of Merrick Garland's nomination. Merrick Garland should be on the Supreme Court right now. We shouldn't have an opening on the Supreme Court. I hope that the Democrats will resist the urge to fight, because I think there's, just as there was no argument for not nominating Merrick Garland, now there's no argument for not nominating and confirming Neil Gorsuch. He's a talented, smart guy who would be an excellent justice.
Everything I know is his writing style is really funny and really easy to read, even for non-lawyers. I think that based on what I know about him in class, he's a fair person.
Neil brings an openness and ability to write in a beautiful way that really makes the law clear to people, which is an important part of writing opinions. You want to be able to explain to people why you came out the way that you did. He does that really well, and he does it. He's just so smart. He's also really collegial. I think he will work to try to form consensus on the court. He knows what it means to work in a group of people to reach a decision. And although I don't think he's going to compromise on his principles, I think he will be someone who reaches to other people to try to form consensus.
I don't have any reason to call who Judge Gorsuch is into question. He and I may differ on our theories of constitutional interpretation, but he is everything that you would want in terms of character from a Supreme Court justice.
What I like about Neil, one of the many things I like about Neil, is I don't think he'll find it easy. I don't think he'll walk in and say, I already know the answer. I think he thinks about things hard and considers really where the parties are situated and what the consequences will be. So I may not agree with the outcome he reaches, but I believe he'll go through an honest and serious process to get there.